Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and today is a very exciting day for me. It's actually the day that I'm going to start my teeth whitening journey with Enlighten. It's something that I wanted to do since forever and now is the time to do it. The specific thing here is that I'm actually a bruxist. What this means is that you're either grinding your teeth or squeezing your jaw really tightly. It all started for me when I was a little girl. When I got nervous, I started grinding my teeth. Then eventually I stopped, but I guess I didn't stop while sleeping. So while sleeping, I'm squelching my jaw really tightly, and this is not something that you can control and that you can't stop, unfortunately. So for anyone with this condition, I believe that showing you the procedure, the process itself, and the before and after, it's going to be very useful, so stay tuned for that. I'm going to take you with me to my appointment so the doctor can give you a little bit more of a professional explanation and a little bit more details on how things are going to progress from now on. Today they're going to take my teeth impressions because everything is custom made specifically for you, specifically for your teeth, for your mouth. So this is considered the best and safest way to whiten your teeth and to get the best possible results on your natural teeth. So I really can't wait, and stay tuned, let's get going.
I'm having all my appointments at Ace Dental Clinic with Dr. Millie. Here we're just setting up some things and then we're getting started.
So today we will just be taking a scan of the teeth, so that we can make the trays that you're going to whiten in, and then we will be taking some photos so we can see what the colour of the teeth are like now, and then what the colour of the teeth will look like at the end. Okay, so we'll start off with the scan, okay, and then what happens is in a couple of weeks' time you'll come back and we will fit the whitening trays with the whitening gel, and then you'll spend 3 weeks whitening your teeth at home before you come back, and we'll just check to make sure that you've got to the right colour. Well, so let's take a little scan. The last thing is you're going to start using this toothpaste. Okay, so this is going to help with any sensitivity. So generally whitening's a really nice safe treatment, but you can get a little bit of sensitivity, so this is just going to prepare the teeth ready to be whitened. So you should have less sensitivity by the time you start whitening.
So just twice a day, morning, night?
Morning, night, just replace it as your normal toothpaste. And then I'll see you in a couple of weeks, and then we'll get everything fitted.
Thank you so much.
Perfect, awesome.
2 weeks passed by very quickly and it's time for my second appointment with Dr. Millie.
Perfect. Okay, cool. So we'll fit the whitening. So I'm going to just check that the trays fit in the mouth. Okay, they should do. And then what I'll do is I'll show you how to use the different parts of the whitening. Okay, and then you can start whitening.
So can no difference in the way I'm wearing them with being bruxed?
So if you want to wear them during the day, because you're bruxing at night, you can wear them during the day.
How many hours is it?
5 to 8. Okay, the longer you can do it, it'll be better. So I would try and do 8 hours if you can, but you know not everyone sleeps 8 hours either. So relax back for me. So I'd say the absolute minimum is 5, but if you can get up a little bit, like 6 7 hours, that'd be great. The toothpaste. Okay, so you're going to start using the toothpaste from today. Once you've finished whitening, what I suggest is using this toothpaste either in the morning or in the evening. Okay, once a day. So use a normal a different toothpaste the other. Then going forward, what you can do is you can use the black one in the morning and this one in the evening. Exactly. Okay. So another nice new toothpaste in there for you. And then you've got your whitening gels. Okay, so week 1, week 2, these are the ones that you need to wear for 5 to 8 hours.
5 to 8 hours.
Okay. Week 3, you're going to just wear for an hour a day.
All right.
Okay, so it's a lot easier.
Yeah.
Okay. So the way in this whitening works is it's taking you up concentration. Okay, so it's this technique should reduce any sensitivity you feel. Okay, and still get you the really nice results. Each one is labelled, so you can see 1, 2, 3, and you just pop these in the fridge. What you'll also notice is in the packets themselves, you've got gel and you've got the nozzle. So you need to put the nozzle on, okay, because otherwise you'll take too much out.
Yeah.
And then you can see that you've also got these lines.
Yeah.
That's how much gel you should be using every time. Okay, so 1 line is enough for the top and bottom for 1 day. Okay, and then again. I sort of feel like it's like Goldilocks and the 3 bears. Yeah. The first day you'll use too much, then you'll use too little, and then the third day you'll get it just right.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't worry too much. And it feels like there's a lot to know, but once you do it once, you'll be absolutely fine. Okay.
So I just need to spread it.
I'm going to show you. And this is just an example. Okay. But what you basically want to do is you want to whiten each tooth. Okay, so it's not, you're not going to put gel, sort of smear it all the way over, you're going to do dots per tooth. Okay. The gel is a specific concentration. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the trays are dry. So if they're not dry, don't use a hairdryer because you'll melt them, but just use a bit of tissue and just go around and just wipe them, just make sure they're dry. Okay. Then what you're going to do is make sure you've got the nozzle on. Okay, and you're going to take a small amount of gel. So you're going to take that small amount of gel and you're really looking at half a grain of rice to the half head of a matchstick. Okay, and you're going to put that dot there.
Just a little bit. All right.
Okay, so you can see it's on the inside of the tray, but it's on the outside surface of the tooth.
Yes.
Okay, and you're basically going to go round and you're going to do that. You just go round. Okay, so what you'll find is that you get the whole thing filled with little dots. Slightly bigger teeth, but slightly more in. Slightly smaller teeth, but slightly less in. Yeah. Okay, and I generally go back that far to the first 10 teeth. Yeah. Okay, right. If you want to go back to the first molar, you can, but past that, you don't really see them. Yeah. Okay. So then, what you want to do is you want to then make sure your teeth are dry. Okay, so breathe in, and you can use a bit of tissue if you want, but to be honest with you, if you just breathe in, you're normally fine. Pop the tray in. And make sure it's fully seated, so you push it up. If you've put a little bit too much in and the gel goes over onto the gums, again, just get a bit of tissue, wipe it away. Okay. Try not to eat or drink whilst you've got them in, because that will give you water around the mouth, and then take it out once you're done. When you're taking it out, just brush your teeth, okay, to get rid of any remnants and taste. I mean, the gel actually tastes quite nice. It doesn't. It's got a minty taste to it, so it's not bad. But just to make sure you don't have anything lingering around and you're not eating it. And I will see you in 3 weeks. Should be nice and easy, and if you have any issues, just let us know. The first night always feels, or the first day always feels weird, because you're like, oh gosh, am I doing it right? Am I doing it wrong? But honestly, it's really, once you're doing it, it's easy. It'll be fine. Most people have sensitivity. It normally goes away once you've been doing the whitening for a few days. And if it doesn't, then it goes away once you stop the whitening. Okay, so it's not something that you're going to live with forever.
Everything seems great. As far as convenience and comfort, I really don't find any discomfort in wearing them. They fit like really nice, they're so soft, and yes, you feel that you have something on your teeth, but you get used to it quite fast. So I'm so happy so far, and actually I've only worn them for 2 days, and I don't know if I'm lying to myself, but I already kind of see a lighter shade to my teeth, so I'm really happy and excited to see the final result, as I have almost 3 full weeks more, so I guess it's only gonna get better. And in 3 weeks time I have another appointment with Dr. Millie at Ace Dental Clinic for my final check for my Enlighten teeth whitening journey, to see where we are. I'm so excited to see what we're gonna have as a final result. Hi everyone, the day has come. It's time for my last appointment with Enlighten.
Enlighten. I'm currently on the train traveling to Ace Dental Clinic. I'm gonna be seen again by Dr. Millie. She's gonna say if we need to do anything more. I guess not, so probably she's gonna just take the after pictures, and that's it. It's been an incredible journey. I'm so grateful to Enlighten. I didn't even believe that my teeth could look so white. They literally look fake. So yes, come with me and let's see what we're gonna do.
So, brilliant. How did you find the last few weeks?
It was so easy, especially the
Yeah.
last one.
Yeah.
It was only an hour a day. It was just
Good.
Yeah,
Didn't it?
amazing. Yes, they're so amazing. Should I do anything to like make it
Maintain.
longer? Yeah,
So
maintain.
you've got that white toothpaste?
Yes, I do.
So keep using that once a day. That's
Yeah.
Stunning.
Yes.
Excellent. Right, that's it. You're done.
Perfect. Thank you so much for your
No
help.
problem.
And all the care.
They look brilliant.
So, as you guys keep seeing, today was my very last appointment at Ace Dental Clinic with Dr. Millie for my teeth whitening journey with Enlighten. Everything was amazing. It went by so quickly. The doctor checked my teeth. She took my after pictures and she saw what an amazing transformation I have. I can't be happier with my results. I'm obsessed. I didn't believe that my teeth could look so white, and now I'm wondering why didn't I do it earlier. I'm so grateful to Enlighten. It's literally something I wanted to do for ages, and I'm so happy I finally decided to take the step. Now the only thing I need to do in order to maintain the color is to continue brushing my teeth with the white toothpaste once a day. That's about it. I guess there's no need for any more words, as the results speak for themselves. If you're wondering if you should start your teeth whitening journey, especially if you're a bruxist, no need to worry and no need to think about it too much. Enlighten are the best. The only thing you need to do is just follow their instructions. It takes only 3 weeks to have a brand new smile and lifelong whiter teeth, so go ahead with it. I want to thank you so much for watching. I really hope I helped you, and I wish you all the best.